All right, here we are, looking at it for the first time. It's going to be back together. It's got all the seats in it. I wonder, is that open? Can I get in right there? I can. Oh, check it out. There it is. There it is. Holy smoly, man. Check out our carpet. Our carpet looks so good. And a new vinyl. That is awesomeness. Oh man, check out those seats. Dude, that looks like $1 million frickin' dollars right there. Unfortunately it was. But oh man, check that out. Check that out. That is so great. New yokes. Redid the vinyl on everything. The interior we redid also. We left the white for some contrast. I actually like the seat belts. I'd like to probably fix that, but it's not horrible. It's not horrible. But come on, you want to step up here? That is fabulous. It's got a new 750, and that is a 355. It's got your 500 series there, and a there's your backup G5. Come on, have a seat right there.
That's all right. That's all right. All the carpet's in the side.
I know, we've got all the carpet in. This thing looks like $1 million frickin' dollars. We're gonna have to take a lot of pictures in just a second. But man, 14 months worth of ownership. I've flown it probably 20 hours and 4 times. So certainly excited to come to the end of this. New engines in, all the interiors in. That thing looks immaculate. I would love to turn the power on and show it all off, but I don't know what I can and can't do, so I'm not gonna do anything. Man, that looks so much better. Look at those blue stitching. That looks nice. Holy moly. Holy moly. Wow, it's a project finally completed. You know, 14 months, brand new engine, brand new interior. I'll show some shots of that, but long time coming. You know, anybody buying and where you're going to have to redo panels or engines, 14 months is probably about right. I mean, this thing took a long time, but we've redone all the vinyl was redone. Obviously the dash was redone, but we redid the yokes, and then leather on the all the inside, put in new carpet. And the only thing we didn't do is the seat belts. We'll get that later. But you know, contrast, we left some white in it. That seemed to have worked out for us. That's a culmination of a long time. We'll crank it up and get going. Probably in 2 weeks we'll be back and be in the air and ready to start flying.